Hi everyone, it's me and
Christina.
My sister. I know you guys haven't seen her in a while, but we're here today to do Degusta. Caleb is sitting out on this one. She's visiting me from out of town. So we're gonna go ahead and get Degustabox out of the way. So here it is right here. It's our heavy one again this month, but we're gonna break right into it with our handy dandy scissors. And we're gonna taste test all these yummy things for you. This is for the month of January, by the way. Happy New Year, you guys. I haven't seen or spoke to you guys in quite some time, it feels like. But we're back, and Caleb will be doing the next Degustabox. He's always better at opening these boxes than I am. I'm sorry. He really is a lot better than opening these than I am. Okay. But I got it. All right. Per usual, there is a Open Me, Eat Me, Enjoy Me sticker. And we've got all of our goodies in here. We've got some coupons on the top, per usual. We've got our 2 January Degustabox papers, since we have a little bit of a different variety in ours. And we have so many wonderful things. Wow. So how this works, if you've ever seen our videos, I choose one thing, you choose one thing.
Okay. You
want to go first?
Sure.
All right.
Okay, so I'll grab this. So there's actually 2 of them. They look like Naan chips by Maya Kamal in the flavor sea salt. They're a snack dip devour. It looks like this. You can see that.
They're $1.29 each.
$1.29 each.
Not too bad.
They actually look really good.
They do look really good, and they look like they would be good for dipping.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll just open up one. Sea salt.
I like sea salt. Ooh, they're quite big.
Oh yeah, these would be really good for dipping.
No, it tastes like anything.
No.
I have no flavor.
No. But
there's no flavor at all.
That's why chips like this, it says right here, snack, dip, devour. You can snack on these. They have a little hint of salt.
Like very little.
Hint. But if you dip this with, like, I don't know, some kind of dipping sauce, salsa even.
Yeah, salsa.
They're thick enough to where it will stay not broken. Those aren't that bad though. Okay. Next thing, I'm also gonna pick up this. It is from Angie's. It's a Boom Chicka Pop. Now I've seen Boom Chicka Pop everywhere. I mean, I've seen it at Marshall's, I've seen it at Target. This is the sea salt popcorn, and this retails for $1.39 each. So this is the bag right here, and sea salt again. So let's get into this. This should be more like popcorn versus a chip. Yep.
It is.
Oh, it smells like really good popcorn. It just tastes like regular salted popcorn. Actually, it does taste like popcorn that you would make in a microwave. It's not as crispy.
It does.
But it's really good. So that's an A+ for us.
Good. No, that one wasn't bad.
That wasn't bad.
Okay.
Now what for you?
Next thing I'm going to pull out, because this looks intriguing. This is Wisps. It's 100% cheese, nothing else. Cheddar cheese crisps. So they look like this. And these retail for, looks like $3.99 a bag. So it's a little pricey, but they look delicious. So
now I will have to go ahead and say that I have tried Cello Wisps before, and they are really good.
They're really good.
They're really good. I ate the entire box.
Ooh, they smell so good.
They taste like baked cheese.
Yeah, that's literally what they look like. It's baked just like cheese. A little
shredded cheese put on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's all it is. Like, it's 100% cheese. That's all it is.
Wow.
They're really good, you guys.
They literally. That's really good. No, I'm good. I wanna.
All right.
Wow. That's just cheese.
If you love cheese, this is for you.
Wow.
And they're super salty.
That's interesting. Yeah, they are. They're super salty.
All right, let's switch it up a little bit. Let's get some sweet in here. We got some Loacker. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It's Loacker. Loacker. This is white chocolate with milk cream filling and a crispy wafer. So it kind of looks like Kit Kats, kind of. They retail to $1.99 each. These look like Kit Kats.
They do.
Like the white Kit Kats. My favorite. Open here. Okay. Oh, cool. It has the little separation where you can open it like this.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, sorry, I got a little broken on the bottom, but you know what? That's okay. Let's tear into this. You want half? I'll have half of that, or you want the whole thing?
Oh, I don't care. Yeah, break it in half.
Yeah, let's break it in half. Oh, uh-oh.
It's like a wafer.
It's crispy. Ooh.
Wow. That's really good.
Now, you can't really taste the crispiness once you're eating it, but the white chocolate is so creamy.
It is. It just melts in your mouth. That was really good. That was really
Let
good.
me take out these green things that Caleb loves to pop in my face. He's not here this time to pop them in my face. Alright, your turn.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this because I don't really know. I don't see what it is right now. Okay, cool. So Wasa Thins, rosemary and sea salt. This looks like a sea salt kind of.
I know, this is like a sea salt
theme kind of going on
for the new year.
So it's pretty much flatbread is what it says.
Flatbread.
These retail for $3.19 a box. So it kind of looks like this. And let's.
I'm kind of excited for these.
Let's break into
Because again, these seem like something you can just take and go and just eat.
Oh,
and
so
snack.
they're like there's two packs.
Crackers.
2 packs of these in there.
Yeah, it's kind of like the new year. You know, staying kind of healthy, sea salt, really low seasoning on things, not a whole lot of fat. You know, getting ready for the new year.
This is really. Ooh.
Oh yeah, just break one and then we can just share it. That is really crispy.
It's really big.
Here, open it over this.
So it's pretty much a big
Cracker.
just yeah.
Ooh, you can really smell the rosemary. You can really
taste it too.
really taste the rosemary.
Wow.
Like
That's
they're
really
not
strong.
kidding. That's really good though. For people who like seasonings, like really strong seasonings that aren't bad for you, this is really good. I think Nana would really like this. Our grandma. I think she would really like these. I think she really would. So those are good. Those are good. I'm trying to think what would be good on that. I think like some kind of cheese cream spread.
Or if you make
cream cheese, not cheese cream.
The one stuff Nana makes with the strawberry or the tomatoes and the basil and the olive oil. What do you call it?
Like
bruschetta.
Yep, bruschetta.
Bruschetta would be really good.
Okay, you guys, we're moving on to this because I've been staring at this. It is the Dole slightly sweetened coconut water, peach and mango. So instead of it being fruit juice, it's in coconut water that's lightly sweetened. So again, on with the fresh new year type of thing. So this is really interesting.
That's cool.
So let's pull one of these out. This retails for $2.79, and we're just gonna. I hate opening these because I get juice everywhere every single time. So I have to open them really slowly. So I'm sorry. I might speed through this. Oh, I think I got it. Oh gosh!
Oh.
Dang it! What'd I say? What'd I tell ya?
It's because she was dipping it.
Anyway, well, look. Ooh, that's good. How are we gonna eat this?
I don't know.
You can
Because
have
once
this
my mouth has been on it, you don't.
You can have it. Actually, it tastes just like it would if it was in the fruit juice that's normally in. It seems sweeter to me.
It is. But you can taste the coconut. It's good.
That is really good.
It's really good.
And the fruit is good too.
Yeah.
The fruit is like really soft.
I always love these fruit cups though. I like them cold, so I put them in the fridge. But these fruit cups I've always loved these. This is really good.
I haven't seen these in stores.
I was gonna say, I wonder if you can buy those in stores like that. The coconut water ones.
Well, yeah, you have to. This is where, I mean, they get ideas and they get them from stores and then they'll put them in their box.
Oh.
So, yeah, you can definitely find those. That's why they leave a retail price for you. All right, your turn.
Oh, that's delicious.
That is really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
I'm sorry,
this.
I spilt it.
I'm gonna say that. Okay.
I'm so white.
So I'm just gonna go here.
Ooh, we've got these plenty of time before.
Okay, so this is Go Organically fruit snacks, fruit medley. Looks like this, and these retail for $3.99 a box.
Yeah.
So, which isn't bad.
These actually are delicious. I know you guys have seen this on our channel a couple of times before, so this is something that, you know, they know we love these. They're really good.
So there's 8 pouches that come in here. They're just, oh, these are so cute. They're just so small and look so environmentally.
We'll share a box.
Or a bag.
We'll share a bag. Oh, and by the way, the reason she said once my mouth is on it, it's gonna be mine because she's sick.
Yeah.
Isn't that good?
So, I've always been a fan of like the I guess the softer fruit snacks.
Oh yeah.
Whereas these are like
a little tougher.
They're a little tougher, yeah.
But they're good, aren't they?
But they're good, yeah.
They're so good.
They're really good.
These are really, really good. Caleb and I, the last time these came in, we loved them.
Well, those are delicious, actually.
Here, give me one more. All right, what do we got? We got some pasta. So obviously, as you guys know, we don't try pasta on our channel. But this is the Explore Cuisine, loaded with plant-based protein, organic edamame spaghetti. That's really cool. Caleb loves to make spaghetti, so he will probably more than likely be making this sometime soon because there's 24 grams of protein in here and he loves protein. So this retails for $4.99. So this is definitely one of the higher expensive brands of pasta, but it seems like it's worth it. It's edamame, it's good for you, and I'm excited to do this, and it's green. It's green.
It's green, yeah.
It's green.
That's exciting.
All right, you get that.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna just pull these out. So this is Crown Maple Sugar, certified organically, Hudson River Valley in New York. All natural, no additives, gluten-free. These go for $1 a pouch, it looks like. So it just it's pretty much just maple sugar, like brown sugar.
So you put it in your coffee.
I'm assuming just like maple flavored.
Wait, let's read about it. It's rich in natural antioxidants, provides a healthy alternative to granulated sweeteners. So yeah, you can use this in coffee and
teas,
and
baked goods.
That's really cool. I'm definitely gonna try this in my tea and my coffee and see how I like it.
Yeah.
Maple sugar. I wonder if it tastes like maple. Yeah,
I'm assuming
yeah, you know.
would.
Anyway, let's see. It looks like some olive oil, and we've needed some olive oil, so this is perfect. Some extra virgin olive oil, 100% Italiano, from Monini. This is just the original. A squeeze of olives. This is really cool. We've been needing some really good olive oil. We just went and we bought some cheapo brand of olive oil just because we needed something for pasta. But this retails for $10.99.
Whoa.
$10.99. Olive oil is so expensive nowadays.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, you guys, there's only one more thing in here. Yep, there's only one more thing.
So this, this is good. This is cool. This is Uncle Dougie's Wicked Good No Fry Wing Marinade. What flavor?
Wing marinade? That's really cool.
Wing marinade.
You don't have that on yours, so it's on mine. It's right here.
It retails for $4.99. A jar. So here it is.
So I guess you just put this on wings if you want to marinate them, but I wonder if you can just also put this on like chicken, obviously, like just.
Probably.
Or even on anything. I mean, it says here it talks about wings and stuff, but I mean, I'm pretty sure that can be so versatile.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Oh yeah, it says use Uncle Dougie's wing marinade on pork, beef, or your favorite veggies. It is wicked good.
I'm really excited for that one because Caleb loves to make chicken too. So this will be something else that he can try.
Crispy.
What flavor is it?
It doesn't have a flavor.
Oh, it's just wing sauce?
It says deliciously spicy, tangy, sweet blend of peppers and spices.
He'll like that. He'll like
that. So yeah, that's right up Caleb's alley.
Well, let me show this to him when this video's over. I bet he'll enjoy it. Anyway, you guys. So Christina, as you guys know, or as you know, we pick our favorite product out of the entire box. So what one is your favorite?
My favorite has to be the coconut water fruit cups.
Yeah, those were pretty good. This isn't my favorite. I do like them, but I have something that's just a little bit more my favorite, and those are the cheddar cheese crisps. These are really, really, really good, even though I'm lactose intolerant. How ironic.
That's how it works.
It's always how it works. You can't have the cheese, you love the cheese. Anyway, you guys, we hope that you guys enjoyed so much. Thank you so much for watching. Next month will be the February box, and Caleb will be joining me for that. Might be a little bit earlier than usual in the month. As long as we can get it, we're going overseas for our vacation, so we'll try to get it up for you before then. However, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and Friday for beauty videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.